Division करेंगे sir. I wish to move that the bill further to amend the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, the Constitution 27th Amendment Bill 2025 be passed.
As per rules, the decision on the motion will be by division. The procedure regarding voting by division is mentioned in third schedule of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Senate 2012. As per procedure, the division bells will be rung for 2 minutes to enable the members not present in the chamber to return to their places. Immediately after the bell stops ringing, all the entrances to lobbies will be locked, and the Senate staff posted at each entrance will not allow any entry or exit through these entrances until the division has concluded. I will then put the motion before the House, and the members who are in favor of the motion will move to the right, and against it to the left divide. According as they wish to vote, members will then proceed to the ayes and noes lobby. There passes a single file before the tellers. On reaching the desk of the tellers, each member will in turn call out division number which has been allotted to him for this purpose. The tellers will then mark off this number on the division list, simultaneously calling out the name of the member. In order to ensure that this vote has been properly recorded, the member should not move until he has clearly heard the teller thus call out his name. The division number allotted to each member has been communicated separately, which is marked on the seat card on each member. When the voting process will be completed in division lobbies, the tellers will present division list to the secretary, who will count the votes recorded thereon and then present the total of the ayes and noes to me. I will then announce the result to the House. So the division bells may be rung for 2 minutes to enable the members not present in the chamber to return to their places. The Senate staff may lock all the entrances. Okay. Senate staff may lock all the entrances to the lobbies. I now put the motion before the House. The question is that the bill further to amend the Constitution of the Islamic Republic Voting has been completed, and I request the secretary to collect the record and count the votes. The results of the division has been received. Therefore, all the entrances be unlocked. All members are requested to be seated. None opposed. इसका कितना है? इसका कवर किधर है? डब्बा
दूसरी वाली लिया
इसका कवर किधर है?
मेरे पास है क्या
बस किधर है? Please take your seats. I have to announce the results. Kindly take your seats. I have to announce the results. Please take your seats. I have to announce the results. ये रिजल्ट्स दे दें ठीक
उधर से आपने पढ़ना सर
मैं देख तो लूँ I now announce the result of voting. 64 members are in favor of the motion. Regarding passage of the bill and none against it. So the motion is carried by the votes of not less than 2/3 of the total membership of the Senate, and consequently the bill stands passed. Leader of the House.
जी शुक्रिया जनाब चेयरमैन